Hello everyone, welcome to Menaka Creations. Today we're going to learn about nature, birds, and other stuff. So, let's see what we could find. Come on. So, we saw waterfalls right now. Now we're gonna see these rocks. There are crystals here. And there's the waterfall. It's just a little one. If you go under it, it's not actually really fun. Squirrels are under there. And there's a tree. And these trees can grow so big that they can make like so much shade for a car. That's like how much shade they can make. And it's so cool about them. Okay, so this is where we could see some ducks. The male one is called a drake, which the male one is a blue-headed one, if you did not know that. And the female one is called a duck, and it has a brown head. That's how you tell it. So these ducks are feeding themselves by finding so much fish. And the male one has a yellow beak, and the female has a different one. You can't just see it. So here there's a crane. This crane has yellow feet. I do not know which crane it is. It might just be a normal one. Now this is the one that is standing up. So now we see a duck, and it's a male duck. It's a drake. And we see that it's putting its head down because it's looking down and eating some fish. That's how it gets its fish. It paddles like that because this is just a type of crane. You do not know which kind it is, but if you search for it, you may know. And also, it's eating worms, so you might get a hint from that. I think it found something, so I think it's actually following something because it sees it and it wants to creep on it and then catch it. So here we see there are ducks again, and they're the same ducks again. We know that they are. Also, this one is a American goldfinch, and this American goldfinch just flew away. Here you can see some stuff moving. They are the fish. Thank you for watching. Bye, Dhanu. Bye, everyone.